answer the phone. And Abbi say, Capo. And the Chinese man say, Ricardo. Ricardo not feeling well.
You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming. Oh,
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, AC gang?
It's the girl, Abbi.
And your boy Capo.
How day with another video, guys?
People, see the title. Right now, I'm going to do a mukbang. I'm not proud of this mukbang. The title telling you, say, it never go my way. But Abbi insists, say, I must talk about it, because, you know, we have to know what takes place. You know what I say? So, you know. I'm going to stream my
Me never hear about it.
Never heard about it before.
Yeah, guys, so Capo got telling the story at the time when him get beat up at foreign. Oh, if you left good Jamaica, you never get beat up yet, and go foreign, go get beat up. Who do that?
Who does that?
Before you jump in that video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you know. Run go over to comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, and follow up on Instagram down below also. And what else, Capo? If you never see when we put that crab in the video, the feed, so we'll go and go look. The video, the feed. Yes, so click yes.
So guys, it started when I go to boom and take a plane and go foreign last summer. So I'm going to go work, right? As lifeguard. Anyways, one morning now, I'm there at work, welcome as usual. Make sure the pool is hard and everything, you know, the pool nice and everything I go at nice.
Sir.
Then now, one youth come at the pool and I this up the pool with be a loud music and be a extra flicking and everything. I said, sir, the beaver is accelerated at the pool. Can you please desist or you'll be asked to leave? I say, alright, first, you know. Then they look at the man back again to the same foolish, you know. So I go to him again and tell him. I start move extra. So I call the manager and say, yo, this man need to move from the pool and way. The boy actually pray me. Off me up, people. I got my yard.
What you shirt blow off? Wanna fly?
Yo, the crab picked apart.
Yeah, guys, big up Chef Damai.
So guys,
Grab a Dan. Grab a
I'm going
bag.
tonight now. I'm going to go man easy back in the place, you know. Me, my roommate, at the time my roommate they come from China.
Yeah.
But he's supposed to battle.
No man,
China people can't fight.
the man guy, you know.
Karachi?
Yeah, man, look a bit in her body.
Other housemate them come from Turkey.
Turkey.
So they don't know English good. They're the only English speaker there properly. They might learn English. So people, everybody back here, right? So sometimes I leave the door open. Can ever go in and out.
Because them big and careless. And if you have the key, that door.
When I look now, they do that I knock. In my room, you know, welcome and peaceful. Be a black man running the house.
They had suit on?
Suit?
Like mask up.
No.
Oh, they know where you live.
The man they must have trailed me.
I
I must
like.
have run bicycle go work every day. You know.
Yeah, the boy ride bicycle.
Ride bicycle go work every day.
You're
So them-
basically in a foreign?
yeah.
Bombard. So you never try fight, defend yourself, use something more?
Man, the boy finish him story, no miss?
At the time, in my room, curl up and well tired, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this big nice come in and just be a low talking in an American accent attack. And by the time because the way this house set up, my room, as they come in at the house, and you look right, and my room that, and me that on the
have the
bed.
light.
My effect man to come in at the house for me.
I run under I bed your eyes.
Because that boy
Say
blow
that house, I me up and sleep. Blow bed. Remember to the pool boy? I mean I say, yo, what?
Wait, them the black?
Black man them brother. I mean I say, hold on there. I can't the man them really come up for me.
So them boss ask you for.
People, me now one corner each up. And I'm not say I just be a liquor swing. Me I try to defend myself. Them man I tell me I should run now, I should this and that.
Where the China man
Me
there?
la go under bed.
Where China man and the Turkey boy
The
did
man
it?
them just they're surprised. Cause they run past the Chinese boy and the Turkey boy, you know. And
So
come to me.
Capo them definitely come for guys. Capo them definitely come
So
for.
they never try help you.
Help? I try to help himself for going out of the house.
So you were unconscious.
Me I fight my life for a couple minutes good.
But unfortunately, Capo end up lose. People, normally me they won't know girl. Oh, Capo not call me yet. Him normally call me for a certain time. So I go say boom now I take out my phone. Ready for us don't Capo and call me. I tell him say hit it for me now. For I said don't Capo look how I know you reach him long time you call me. I'm gonna call Capo now.
Jesus Christ, people.
What am I call Capo? That's what I tell them.
People. Abbi called Capo. You know them on YouTube and them think Abbi think Capo run joke. So Abbi called Capo now. Your man Capo get knocked out, you know. knock out. Capo can't answer phone.
KO.
But Capo have a China friend. Same China man I tell you about from a slim dude, yeah? Answer the phone. And Abbi said, Capo. And the Chinese man say, Ricardo. Ricardo not feeling well. And Abbi I say, Capo start ramping me now. I said, no. Ricardo not feeling well. Ricardo. Dead.
No.
Yes.
At that time,
That time Ricardo upon the ground. It's Ricardo.
no.
God help.
Could have put the phone.
It might be
I mean, I got to see him say, yo, answer this. I mean, I tell him to answer the phone and talk to her.
Say the one who sweet sugar and water. You went to the doctor?
Capo end up at hospital, people, the boy them send him right in there.
Allah.
Right in the
Yes,
hospital.
man.
You're supposed to get some insurance money and the compound, something. Must, right?
Then, people me never know what to do. When I really understand the China boy, I start fret. I said, Jesus, I want somebody else to fret with me. Somebody else to fret with me. At the same time, I text him mother and I text everybody who I know for him. So I make them start fret too. Take look fret enough for me, you know. So make them business now. Tell the people, them, give them number, everything. I don't know why you know. But that's why I say, when him alright, he's alright. Everybody else get the bad news.
Yeah, man, so we got to clean the doctor tonight and thing and do a scan and everything. You know, worry, that time I give a look at consciousness still, you know. So I worry about if me have brain damage and everything, that me afraid about brain damage. But the scan come back good still, somebody alright.
Anyways, guys, Capo did stop work for a while, right? And told me they up there. I enjoy my look. I said, Bomba, I have to go look for Capo because I see something in the Capo almost dead. Me, when I normally travel by myself, got foreign, I know in a foreign. Capo, me I travel on train, on bus and so, one guy a foreign. When I see Capo face, I say, oh God, Capo, oh God. People don't want to Capo face, Capo look stable.
The picture them up on the screen now.
When I forgot road with Capo, I'm ashamed forgot road with Capo. Capo look really nasty, I'm not talk. I don't have the chef who are beside him, honestly. Because when I walk, you want to see the people that look on him like them. You know, him sometimes I dopey or so. Well, one time I have to end up, when him start worry about me, I have to end up following him away. We must go 2 days or 1 day.
What you follow him for? What you can do?
Emotional support. Capo is
you were scared?
ugly.
When they are ready, go back and work people that basically me asleep.
Can I see the pics?
Capo is still really nasty people. I don't not see the picture now.
The picture up there?
The food. I don't talk. I tell Capo to find people mad, you know, but he never believe. He said, no, you think of Jamaica, I tell hey boy, go man.
I run them.
I
Come
run.
back them trailer now, Capo.
Find people trailer and make sure them get a revenge.
Like stabby or
For
something.
your bicycle, now go home. So wait.
So you have to go down.
That's okay.
Capo don't know where it can come from.
People, I'm not lying. That was me.
Don't do that, lady.
God, let's...
People, if that was me, I have a bust up a man's face.
Guys, I can't blame Capo because as I said, him did that. Because me got the house, I'm still the house.
Capo
set up.
should just run and grab
As soon as them bust in, I saw
Lift up
remember
the
Capo now go
bed, push
know.
upon them and dig. Chinese man,
Everybody, guys,
Chinese man
careful.
come and watch him and get beaten. You why Chinese man smart now? Chinese man know 6 of them, Chinese man are rush him.
6 of them and 1 of me.
Yeah.
Try man I help.
Why are you eating it?
So guys, truth of the story now. Capo tell the truth of the story.
Alright guys, I got a confession to make. That secret that bad. So guys, half my story false. And the last half, fully truthful. Ever since the Chinaman called Abbi from the truth. When the Chinaman called Abbi phone, no, Abbi call and China boy answer, that's all true.
Yeah.
But everything before that, that's all false. And for about 2 or 3 months, me I tell a madman and say, the story, and me get beat up a foreign. But that never happened.
You never get no beat up?
Get beat up with.
So what happened to you?
So guys, rain literally did a beat here. Who ride bicycle in a rain?
Look at your
Me have
job.
to boom no one thing I ride down my yard. I ride down my yard fast, you know, because rain fall, I have to go home.
Who do that?
Me I ride fast and the rain fall so hard I could see the road. So me have to go on the bicycle, you know. And me I tell you, I'm reaching my yard. And it couldn't make sense if me I carry myself that night. I'm not tell you lie. See the steel their ass. Not bored.
Yeah, but where are you me?
So people, I ride go home, you know. And me I tell you, oh God good, you know. Me I tell you, I'm reach on my gateway, near to my gateway, you know. And the bicycle take a ratted skate there.
Boy, jump off a bicycle and bust up him face.
People, My head slump on the concrete, on the asphalt. I might tell you, man, oh God, my life flash before me that day. Then I get up, within a second, pick up the bicycle, I'm gonna walk go to my apartment.
And then him drop down.
I'm gonna just pass out.
You faint?
I lie. Before I pass out, I look down and I see my nose bleed. I'm gonna go so. And until I blood get weak, I'm gonna just pass out.
And the blood frighten you out.
And then now, I get the unconscious and me somebody call Ricardo. I look at my turkey friend. And him and me say, what happened to you? I tell him, say, let me say, I'm jumping for the bicycle, whatever. And him goes to the woman and call my Chinese version now. And two of them came upstairs.
I
Yes,
fuck up my car, cap up, some boy answer.
Ricardo!
Not feeling well.
Ricardo not feeling well. Ricardo sick.
I had to say, kill me that cap
Yes.
up me.
Yeah.
So you thought you was kept on saying Ricardo not well?
No, she think I tell man, but she think I me tell the Chinaman to talk, say. But people, trust me.
Cap up risky get right in that storm. And drop.
And
I got good. I
And
got
good job
good.
right at the gate.
Yeah, people,
Got good.
anybody drop 5 seconds earlier?
Maybe I can't
Drop in
slap
the
him.
drop in the middle of the road and can't go fly up on the and keep me that dead long time.
Come people, we never take a thumbnail.
I'm very thankful to be alive right now.
In conclusion, guys, don't be a careful. Do not see the rain fall so hard in the night and decide say you're going to ride a bicycle. You know,
Alright,
that's for know what you do.
you the helmet all the time. If you guys enjoy this mukbang,
I don't know why we do it every when.
every time, if you want to see more,
Mukbang often, guys.
hey, we can't chat enough. If you all want to see more,
If you want to see more mukbang, just comment down below.
yeah, just subscribe if you're new. Follow on Instagram down below.
And subscribe to your good girl Abbi's Madness. Subscribe to Nasty Kappa TV. And subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Kappa Comedy TV.
Yeah, so the mukbang done now. I finished eating all them crab.
Yeah, I finished eating the crab.
Want to stop talking and just want to dive in and crab them. Big up Damai, the chef Damai.
You belly full?
That man the most I wear, my big up dirty that man. Also. Okay, until then,
AC Gang is out!
bye.